Hello Meg, Richard and team. Just wanted to show you how to work your way around your website if you need to get access for any reason. I've just sent login details to Megan's email address. From that you can log in from this address, which I'll share with you. Once you're logged in, you'll see this as a dashboard, which obviously doesn't look that friendly. So what I suggest you do, once you've logged in, the easiest thing is keep that tab open, but then go to another tab, as I do here. Type in the Cromwell Wilkes website address, and this is where it gets a bit easier. Let's do that. Go to your website. Okay, it's because I pressed the wrong thing. So there we go. And then what you'll notice at the top here is suddenly, because you're logged in, you have access to change things. So if you say wanted to make a change to the business law page, click on the page you're looking for, then hover on edit page and press the control tab and click your mouse, and it will open up a brand new page with that ready to edit, and then you can flip between the two and see if your pages have been applied. So if I open the edit tab, this is how it looks. So this is the text tab. The visual one, which is how it will ultimately be displayed on your website, is here. So make any changes you want to the words. If you wanted to delete that word, you'd highlight it, delete. When you've changed anything, you then click update, go back to this page and press refresh. F5 is the shortcut to do that, and you'll see your changes on the web page. So it really is that simple to work your way around it. If you want to add a new blog, then you go up, click on new, hover over new, control, click your mouse and put post, and it will open up a new post for you. There's a few really important things to do, so I'll walk you through this process. If you can overwrite this one at some point, but I just want to show you what's important. I don't know why that's coming up. Your test blog, and what will happen is it will put the title in here, which is what you want it. You want it to have the keywords in there. So what you're trying to do as you add a blog is put in keywords that people might type into Google. So for example, Tier 1 entrepreneur visa, how do I apply, or how do I apply for a Tier 1 entrepreneur visa would be a good, let's put it in there. So you put in the title, this will automatically come up with that. If it doesn't, you need to put little dashes, it's all lowercase. And you can shorten this. Ooh, can I actually do it? There you go. So how to apply for that? So that's your title there. You copy that. And at the bottom, there's this tool called Yoast SEO, which is really useful. Make sure Google knows what your website is about. You copy the title down here, and this orange tab means it's not quite long enough. So if I then add in London, that will make that fit. And this is what the importance of this is. You see what they're doing here, showing you how it's going to look in the Google search results. You'll notice I've used leading capitals because that stands out better. And then the first paragraph might be not in capitals, Nick. Oh, good grief. Wow, my keyboard playing up at the wrong time. So I won't do all of that. So you type in your title there, and this should be the sales pitch to get someone through to your website. So you type this in, you copy it across. Ideally, you also turn it, not here, because that's the actual content, you turn it here into leading capitals, and you type enough in there until the tab turns green. You choose a category, and if it isn't there, one that's relevant, let's change it to Tier 1 visa. Click add new category, and you'll see it default. I've edited. I'll edit that for you, but you can go back to categories here and just on the left and edit that and make it right. So I'll do that once I publish this. You type your blog, put all the details in. When you get to the end of the page, it's really important that you add your call to action, your phone number and your email. And the easiest way to do that is go back to the page we had here, open your business law page, scroll down the bottom, and I've put a standard call to action there. Just copy that, highlight it, copy it, go back to your blog, into the text, because there's some code here, So H3 just means it's a heading 3, and then strong, and it's got your telephone number linked, which is so important. Then you'd click publish, and your blog will be live. It will get added to your blog page. Again, if I want to see it live, I hold Control key, click the mouse, view post, and it opens in the next tab. And there it is. So that's right, but we know that the description is wrong for the category. So I'm going to go back and edit that now. Click on categories and just do a quick edit. And that is so easy. So most of this is so simple, but you won't have to worry too much about it because you'll mostly be changing content or adding posts. You've just seen how to do that. Those are the key things. If you have any other questions, please just let me know.